What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. Now, 2023 has definitely been the year of optics here on the channel, and we're talking mostly LPVOs and red dots. So I thought it'd be fun to do a little video, my top 5 favorite optics. A few caveats, though, before we kick off this list that you probably should know. Obviously, the first thing is all of these optics have to be something that we've reviewed on the channel, that we've laid hands on, that we've checked out, that we've tested. Most of these are going to be budget-minded in nature. And then also want to keep in mind that as we move forward with the list, you're not going to see any brands repeat. And I've done that intentionally to kind of spread the love across several different brands. We're going to kick things off here with a little budget-minded LPVO from a company called Sniper. Now, this is pretty interesting because this little LPVO, while budget-minded, is a first focal plane. Now, if you're not familiar with what first focal plane means, basically it means that the reticle in here will zoom in and change as you change the magnification on the optic itself. But yeah, we're talking a 1:5 by 24 power little LPVO. One of the cool things, I guess, about the reticle in here, it has all types of little hash marks, and it has the red and green dot option, as well as a blue dot option, which is pretty doggone unique. As far as on the little Elite 22 here, this optic works out great, especially with those little hash marks. For things like silhouette competition. Another LPVO, this one on my Beretta BAR 15. The Hawk Vantage here, 1:4 by 24 little LPVO scope. This is a second focal plane scope, and it has a 30-30 style reticle with a red or a green dot inside of it. And as far as being everything that this rifle needs, fits the bill pretty doggone well. Real quick before we finish the list, if you're new here and you end up liking this video, we would appreciate you hitting that subscribe button down below. And regardless of if you're new here or not, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, click that thumbs up as well. Next, we got our first handgun optic. It's going to be the optic sitting on top of my Gerson high power lightweight here. It's the Rideon Tactics. Now, this is a very lightweight little RMSC optic. It's got that little rear sight notch in the back of it. As far as the reticle, just a simple red dot reticle, which is shake awake and also has automatic brightness control. Almost to number 1, but at number 2, we've got the LPVO sitting on top of my Anderson AM9 little 9mm carbine. This is the Monstrum Banshee, this particular model, the 1:10 by 24. Now, why 1:10? Well, I don't use it much past 4 power, but it's really nice having the extra magnification for spotting purposes and things like that. What I really enjoy about the Monstrum Banshee is the reticle. Really awesome red or green lighted reticle inside this little LPVO. This one is a second focal plane, but really does the job on this particular little carbine. We've made it to the number 1 spot, and my number 1 favorite optic of 2023 gonna be this little Gideon Rock that is on my Kiger 9C Pro. Now, the little Gideon Rock is an RMR pattern sight. It has brightness controls. It has a rear sight little notch in the back of it. The thing that I find most appealing about this little sight, and a lot of you out there may not, is the reticle. It's not really a dot reticle. It's a dot inside a larger circle with crosshairs, and I have opted for the green version with this particular sight. Now it's time for you guys to chime in. Did you pick up any optics in 2023 that you absolutely love? If you did, then by all means, jump down in the comments below and share that with us. If you're out there and you're looking for more optics content to watch, I got you a couple of videos right here you can choose from. As for this one, though, we are done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom. Bye.